Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sure now.
Hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, bitch, I've been it.
By the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a beginner friendly smoky eye look. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you guys know when I upload new videos. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. So as I said before, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a black smoky eye. A smoky eye is very tricky, you know, so I'm just gonna be showing you the technique that I do into creating my smoky eye. Did my brows. I already applied my base because I ain't trying to do that on camera for you guys. Like, nope. I know you guys don't want to see all of that, and I don't want to do all of that on camera. I already applied my base. I did not set my base, so let's first start off here. I recommend you guys not setting your eyes, because when you set your eyes, you're putting powder on top of powder, and then that's just will make the eyeshadow look, any eyeshadow look that you're doing, chalky or just ashy, and you don't want that. Now with smoky eyes, there's two ways you can do it. You can either do it with just your regular eyeshadow, or you can do pomade. Now at the moment I don't have black pomade. I thought I had, but I don't know where it's at, so let's get into it.
Okay babies, first you want to take your black eyeshadow and apply it into your crease. The brush I'm using to apply mine is a small blending brush. You can use the big one as well, but for me, using the small one helps to control where my eyeshadow goes. So you want to go ahead and press the shadow into your crease, and by doing that helps you to save a lot of blending time, because you don't have to go back and forth in adding color, since the color will already be there. Then I'm taking my bigger blending brush and just pressing in the black shadow to the remaining places that I miss. So now you want to grab a dark brown eyeshadow and start to blend out that harsh black line. I recommend doing this with a small precision blending brush, because you're dealing with black, and sometimes black is a very hard color to blend out. So you really want to focus on getting rid of that harsh line, as well as creating that smooth transitioning from one color to the next. Next, you want to take a lighter brown eyeshadow and repeat the same process as you did with the dark brown. But this part is going to be much easier and faster because you already did the hard part. I went ahead and added a burgundy eyeshadow along with the light brown because of the type of lips that I am doing. You can do the same if you want to. Just be sure that the color you decide to choose is cohesive to the black, because you don't want to be looking crazy out in these streets. Lastly, I'm just going back into some of the colors and blending it to my desire. This part is totally optional, so if you want to do it you can, and if not, then your smoky eye is complete. Then you can go ahead and pop on your lashes, add some highlight, and you're good to go, sweetie. This is my finishing look.
I did the same technique with the bottom lashes, just starting with the black, then the brown, then the lighter brown. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and hope you guys could learn something from it or take back something into it. Oh, I'm sorry. Conceited much?
Stop it. Get some help.
But thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and you are subscribed to my channel.
And I'll see you guys in the next